Welcome back to Future News. As always, an article linked to this mind-bending feat can be found in the description below. Now then, across the globe, observatories are tuned to the universe's faintest signals, not light or sound, but ripples in space-time itself. These are gravitational waves, echoes of cosmic cataclysms like black hole collisions. The LIGO-Virgo-Cagra network, spanning the US, Italy, and Japan, forms a planetary ear, detecting distortions smaller than an atomic nucleus. When two black holes merge, they send out waves that carry the story of their violent union across the cosmos. These events are invisible to traditional telescopes, involving objects that emit no light, like black holes, the universe's ultimate enigmas. Before gravitational wave astronomy, such mergers were only theory. Now we can listen to their final, frantic moments. Each detection opens a new window onto the universe's most extreme environments, revealing details about mass, spin, and distance. It's a new sense, a way to witness phenomena once confined to theory. And sometimes what we hear challenges everything we thought we knew. On November 23, 2023, the LVK network detected GW 231123, a signal from the most massive black hole collision ever recorded. Two colossal black holes, one about 100 and the other 140 times the mass of our Sun, spiraled together at incredible speeds. Their merger unleashed energy equivalent to several suns, warping space-time and sending gravitational waves racing across the universe. The final product, a single black hole over 225 solar masses, a true cosmic heavyweight. This event shattered previous records and defied expectations. Black holes are regions where gravity is so intense that nothing escapes, not even light. These giants were far larger than typical stellar mass black holes, hinting at extraordinary origins. The energy radiated told the story of their creation, reaching Earth billions of years later. For scientists, this was more than a record breaker. It was a signal that bent the rules of our understanding. The universe had delivered a puzzle unlike any before. What made GW 231123 so astonishing wasn't just the mass, but the extreme spin of the black holes, near the maximum allowed by Einstein's relativity. According to current models, it's nearly impossible for such massive black holes to spin so fast. Collapsing stars should lose much of their spin. Yet these cosmic behemoths defied those rules, challenging our understanding of stellar evolution. As Professor Mark Hannum put it, black holes this massive are forbidden through standard models. The universe had produced objects that shouldn't exist, forcing scientists to rethink how black holes form. Either our theories are incomplete, or there's a more exotic process at work. This single detection has opened a new frontier, pushing astronomers back to the drawing board. To explain these massive, fast-spinning black holes, scientists propose they might be second-generation, formed from previous black hole mergers. In dense star clusters, black holes could collide and merge repeatedly, building up mass and spin over billions of years. The GW 231123 black holes may themselves be products of earlier collisions, a generational story of cosmic evolution. Analyzing such an extreme event is a technical challenge. The gravitational wave signal was complex, pushing our models to their limits. Scientists relied on advanced simulations to decode the dynamics of these spinning giants. As Dr. Charlie Hoy noted, this event is a benchmark for testing our understanding of general relativity in its most extreme form. It will take years to fully unpack the information in this brief signal. The puzzle lies as much in the analysis as in the origin. The detection of GW 231123 marks a turning point in our exploration of the universe. It reminds us that the cosmos is stranger and more complex than we imagined, and each new discovery challenges our assumptions. Are these massive, spinning black holes common? Are they built from chains of mergers, or is something else at work? The LVK collaboration continues to listen for more whispers from the dark, searching for answers. Events like GW 231123 are not endpoints, but signposts pointing to deeper mysteries. With each detection, we peel back another layer, revealing a richer, more intricate universe. The silent symphony continues, and we are privileged to listen in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned.